Ke ithuta Setswana. Ke ithuta Setswana. I'm learning Setswana. Bua ka bonya. Bua ka bonya. Speak slowly. Bua gape ka Sekgowa. Bua gape ka Sekgowa. Speak again in English. King. King. What is it? Ke itumelela go lo itse. Ke itumelela go lo itse. I'm happy to know you. Nthuse. Nthuse. Help me. Ke a lwala. Ke a lwala. I'm sick. Ke bokae? Ke bokae? How much is it? Ke lapile. Ke lapile. I'm tired. O ya kae? O ya kae? Where are you going? Ke ya? Ke ya? I'm going. Ga ke je nama. Ga ke je nama. I don't eat meat. Ga ke itse. Ga ke itse. I don't know. Mpha madi. Mpha madi. Give me money. Ga ke na madi. Ga ke na madi. I don't have money. Dishopo di kae? Dishopo di kae? Where are the shops? Ke na le dipotso. Ke na le dipotso. I have a question. Toilet e kae? Toilet e kae? Where is the toilet? Ke batla or ke kopa? Ke batla or ke kopa? I want. Nya. Nya. No. Yes. Fela. Fela. Only. Matata. Matata. Problem.
There are some phrases that will make your life easier here in Botswana once you have learned them. Telling your host family that you don't eat meat or you can't eat nuts will help you stay healthy and happy.
If you go to a store or taking a bus, knowing these phrases will make sure you get what you need. Let's simulate going to a store in Botswana and Mishak will be the cashier. How much is the bread? Ke bokae borotho?
The bread is 6 pula 50 thebe. Borotho ke 6 pula 50 thebe.
I'm allergic to nuts. Ga ke je manoko.
There are no nuts. Ga gona manoko.
Ke a leboga.
Okay, now let's simulate trying to get a taxi across town. Tony could be the driver and I want to get a ride. Dumela ma, I'm going to the education center. Dumela ma, kia education center.
Okay, to go to education center is 50 pula. Go ya education center ke 50 pula.
No. I only have 5 pula. Nya. Ma, ke na le 5 pula fela.
No problem. Ga gona mathata. Okay, now a villager comes up to you and is speaking too fast for you to understand. Mishak will simulate the Peace Corps volunteer and I will be the fast talking villager. Dumela rra, ke a lwala ke kopa madi.
I'm learning Setswana. Speak slowly. Ke ithuta Setswana mma. Bua ka bonya.
I need money. I'm sick. Mpha madi. Ke a lwala.
I'm sorry ma'am. I'm a volunteer. I have no money. Sorry mma. Ke moithaopi ga ke na madi.